RDX English Learning.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
Where are you from?
I am from Spain.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you have a nickname?
Yes, people call me Anna.
Are you a teacher?
No, I am not.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
What is your hobby?
I like reading.
Do you like music?
Yes, I do.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Can I ask your name again?
Sure, my name is Anna.
How do you spell your name?
A-N-N-A.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am happy.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like football.
Goodbye. See you later.
Goodbye. Take care.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I do.
How many brothers do you have?
I have one brother.
Do you have sisters?
Yes, I have two sisters.
What does your father do?
He is a teacher.
What does your mother do?
She is a nurse.
Are you married?
No, I am not.
Do you have children?
No, I don't.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with them.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I do.
What is your best friend's name?
His name is John.
Do you visit your grandparents?
Yes, every weekend.
Do you like spending time with family?
Yes, very much.
Who cooks at home?
My mother cooks.
Do you help at home?
Yes, I help clean.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I love them.
Who is older, you or your brother?
My brother is older.
Do you play with your sister?
Yes, we play games.
Who is your favorite family member?
My grandmother.
Do you eat together with family?
Yes, every night.
Do you talk to your cousins?
Yes, sometimes on the phone.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I do.
What time does school start?
It starts at 9.
What time does school finish?
It finishes at 3.
What is your favorite subject?
I like English.
Do you like math?
Yes, I do.
Do you have homework today?
Yes, a little.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mrs. Smith.
Do you like your teacher?
Yes, she is nice.
Do you work?
No, I study.
Where is your school?
It is near my house.
Do you take the bus to school?
Yes, I do.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I like it.
Do you have many classmates?
Yes, I do.
Is your school big?
Yes, it is big.
Do you wear a uniform?
Yes, I do.
Do you eat lunch at school?
Yes, I eat lunch there.
Do you play sports at school?
Yes, I play football.
Do you like exams?
No, I don't.
Do you write in English?
Yes, I try.
Do you read books at school?
Yes, every day.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
Do you brush your teeth every morning?
Yes, I brush my teeth.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I take a shower.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea.
Do you walk to school?
No, I take the bus.
What time do you eat lunch?
At 1 o'clock.
Do you study at night?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, I watch TV.
Do you read books before bed?
Yes, I do.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10.
Do you make your bed in the morning?
Yes, I do.
Do you cook food?
No, my mother cooks.
Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I help.
Do you wash your clothes?
No, my mom washes them.
Do you go shopping every day?
No, only on weekends.
Do you play games after school?
Yes, I play football.
Do you clean your room?
Yes, I clean it.
Do you talk with your friends on the phone?
Yes, I do.
Do you sleep early on weekdays?
Yes, I do.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza.
Do you eat rice every day?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you like bananas?
Yes, I do.
Do you drink milk?
Yes, I drink milk every day.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, very much.
Do you eat fish?
Yes, I eat fish.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I do.
Do you eat fast food?
Sometimes, yes.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is juice.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
No, I drink tea.
Do you like bread?
Yes, I eat bread every day.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, I do.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I never miss breakfast.
Do you like cake?
Yes, I like chocolate cake.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Do you eat eggs?
Yes, I eat eggs.
Do you drink water often?
Yes, many times a day.
Do you like soup?
Yes, I do.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't.
How is the weather today?
It is sunny.
Is it raining now?
No, it is not.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I like them.
Do you like the sun?
Yes, I love sunny days.
Is it cold today?
Yes, it is very cold.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I like winter.
Do you like summer?
Yes, but it is hot.
Is it hot outside?
Yes, very hot.
Do you wear a coat in winter?
Yes, I do.
Do you wear a hat in summer?
Sometimes.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Is it windy today?
Yes, a little windy.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I love snow.
Do you play in the rain?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you use an umbrella?
Yes, when it rains.
Is it warm today?
Yes, it is warm.
Do you like autumn?
Yes, the leaves are beautiful.
Do you wear gloves in winter?
Yes, I wear gloves.
Do you like cold weather?
No, I don't.
Do you like hot weather?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you go shopping?
Yes, I do.
Do you like shopping for clothes?
Yes, I like it.
Do you buy food from the market?
Yes, every week.
Do you go shopping with your mother?
Yes, I go with her.
Do you buy bread from the shop?
Yes, I buy bread.
Do you like to buy shoes?
Yes, I love shoes.
Do you pay with cash?
Yes, I do.
Do you pay with a card?
No, only cash.
Do you buy fruit from the supermarket?
Yes, I do.
Do you like shopping alone?
No, I like with friends.
Do you buy milk every day?
Yes, I buy milk daily.
Do you go to the mall?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like cheap clothes?
Yes, I like them.
Do you buy books?
Yes, I like reading.
Do you go shopping on weekends?
Yes, always.
Do you like window shopping?
Yes, it's fun.
Do you buy snacks?
Yes, I love snacks.
Do you ask for prices?
Yes, I always ask.
Do you use a shopping bag?
Yes, I carry one.
Do you shop online?
No, not yet.
Do you travel by bus?
Yes, I do.
Do you like trains?
Yes, I like them.
Do you go to school by bike?
No, I go by bus.
Do you like cars?
Yes, I love cars.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't.
Do you like flying in airplanes?
Yes, it's exciting.
Do you travel to other cities?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like long journeys?
No, I don't.
Do you walk to the park?
Yes, I walk there.
Do you take a taxi?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you ride a bicycle?
Yes.